Asian market entry. This is a shop house in traditional Boat Quay in Singapore. It's a double floor shop house. We chose this because it's probably a little bit too big for our company, Asian Market Entry, but it provides us enough space that whenever our customers come and visit us from the US, from Europe, or wherever they might be, they can actually have their own working space and home from home really when they're present here, either that for a week or 2 weeks. In fact, sometimes when companies come and put their first people on the ground, they also use this space. So it's very much with a view that it's co-working space. It's not really co-working space, but it's where companies can come for the first time, and they're very welcome to use it. This is our Feng Shui gong, so we have success. When we have success here, we bang one of these gongs, so this is just part of the local culture here to have Feng Shui offices. We've got some phone booths here, which are used for people that want a bit of a quiet time. We have some spare meeting space at the boardroom there and another meeting here. And I'll just show you upstairs. And really it's upstairs where the Asian Market Entry team sit. So we're about 15 people in size. Most of the team here are here in Singapore, but we do have presence also in Taiwan and also in Sydney in Australia. But this is really where the predominant team's based. This is our kitchenette area, generally where we do a lot of filming and webinars on behalf of some of our customers. And really this is the office space for a lot of our team. So I just really want to show you the best part of this office, which is our balcony, and a bit of history about why we chose this place. So if we walk outside, you'll see there's just a beautiful view, and you can also see the walking distance to the central business district. That is the central business district, just down there with all the skyscrapers. But the other really interesting thing that we love about Boat Quay is that this was the original trading port for merchant ships that were coming into Singapore and Asia in general, hundreds of years ago. And so hundreds of years ago they were bringing precious metals and spices and textiles and things that less so now, but we really see ourselves doing the same but for tech companies. So whilst the merchant ships have gone, we very much see ourselves continuing that tradition of bringing tech companies here to be also the same first port of call for companies coming to the region for the first time.